How to turn off sleep focus on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable sleep mode and what it actually does on your Android device. Sleep mode is a focus feature that automatically kicks in at a set bedtime to help you wind down. When it's active, it silences notifications, limits calls, and can dim your lock screen so you're not disturbed while you rest. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap on Modes and Routines. Find Sleep from the list of modes and tap on it. Tap Turn Off to disable it. Once turned off, your device will go back to receiving notifications and calls as normal without any sleep-related restrictions. Keep in mind, if you have a routine linked to your sleep mode, it may re-enable automatically at your set bedtime unless you go back in and disable or edit the routine as well. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off sleep focus on your Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.